What it do, J. Carew? It's your girl Jasmine. I'm back with another video, and today I have a bit of a different video for you. I'm actually really excited, so I'm going to show you how to apply press-on nails and how to make them last as long as possible. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I used to spend like $60, $70 on my nails like every 2 weeks, like all types of designs, long, short, glitter, gel, not gel, acrylics, all types of stuff. Like name it, I did it. I used to do my nails all the time. And I really like having my nails done, but then one day someone was like, oh, like, have you tried press-on nails? Maybe you could do a video on that. And I was like, oh, let me see what the hype's about. So I actually tried it once before, and before my trip, and it actually lasted a long time. So what I did was apply additional nails. So I want to try once before I tell you guys. I can't come up here and lie to y'all and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So since then I actually really like them, so I bought a few different types. So this is the Kiss brand. These are just black. I actually don't really like the black ones, but these were like on sale at the store that we have down here called Cheapos for like $2. But these I had these in a little bit shorter version, and I also have these, which I'm gonna be showing you guys these today because I've actually used this brand before in a different design. I'll like insert a picture or a video or something so you can see what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna show you guys how I apply these and how I use additional glue to make them last longer. So the last time I had nails, they lasted about, I think, like 7, almost 8 days without any chips or any lifting, which is insane because they're just press-ons and they were like $7. So I think they're different at different places. So I think at Walgreens these were about like $7, $8, but I think at Walmart they're a little cheaper because Walmart's usually cheaper like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch the camera view so I can show you guys how I put it. So what I have these two other ones as well. They are both the Kiss brand. I have tried these ones. So this one doesn't come with the glue already on the nail, but this one does. I haven't tried this size, but this one I tried like last week. It was a bit hard, but I'm gonna try it again and see how it works with the long nails. But for today, I will be doing this Impress brand. So this ones actually come with the glue already on the nails, and what I like to do is add additional glue to it. So this is how it looks, and on it you just get all the additional nails and then these glitter ones and the nails all right here. So they don't come with glue because they're already supposed to have glue on it. So I'm gonna try and do my nails like this, but I have two different types of glues. So this one just has the little pointer. Let me see. So this one just has the pointer and it looks like that. So you're supposed to just on the nail, and this one actually has the brush, and I have tried both of these and I think I like the brush better just because it gives better precision. But so what I like to do is, and one of the other kits I have to find the one, but it came with a file and a cuticle thing and a nail clipper. So this actually all came in with the kit that I was talking about. So what I like to do is go ahead and trim my nails and kind of pamper them before I put the nails on, just because I don't want to be dirty or anything like that, or be long and have dirt on them or anything. So I'm just gonna fast forward through this part because this might take me a while. Alright, so now that that part is done, what I like to do first
when applying the actual nails is kind of try to fit the nails so I could line them up so I know what nail is gonna go on which finger. And so how the instructions say is that you should be putting this part down, so you're kind of gonna be grabbing it like this. That's how you want to fit them. Oh. So now what I like to do is kind of brush the nail. You want to cover the entire thing, and I like the brush one because you can really control how much comes out. You really want to get the edges. And then I will peel this off. And then you want to kind of make sure it's straight. And then just press. Yep, so that's how it looks. Shoot.
Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make your personal nails last a long time. So make sure to drop a comment down below and let me know if you tried it, if it worked, if you have any other tips that I did not mention in this video. And as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell button to stay tuned with my other videos. And I'll see you next time on Life with Jazz.